Arch Linux versus Parrot OS. Which Linux distribution is better for security? Choosing the right Linux distro can transform your security setup without sacrificing flexibility or ease. We'll look at Arch Linux and Parrot OS briefly. Arch Linux and Parrot OS are both powerful Linux distributions, but they serve different purposes. Arch Linux focuses on customization and control, while Parrot OS is designed specifically for security and privacy out of the box. Arch Linux is a lightweight, highly customizable Linux distribution that gives users complete control over their system. It uses a rolling release model, ensuring access to the latest software and security updates. Installation is manual, requiring users to build their environment from the ground up, which offers flexibility but demands technical knowledge. Arch strengths lie in its simplicity, transparency, and the Arch user repository, a vast community-driven software repository. However, this level of control means security depends heavily on the user's expertise in configuring and maintaining the system properly. Arch Linux does not come with pre-installed security tools or hardened defaults, so users must set up firewalls, encryption, and other protections themselves. This makes Arch ideal for experienced Linux users who want to tailor their security environment precisely and stay on top of system maintenance. It's less suited for beginners or those seeking an out-of-the-box secure system. Parrot OS is a Debian-based Linux distribution focused on security, privacy, and digital forensics. It comes preloaded with a comprehensive suite of security tools, including penetration testing software, anonymization utilities, and cryptography tools. Parrot OS features a hardened kernel, sandboxing, and default configurations designed to enhance privacy and reduce vulnerabilities. It uses a rolling release model like Arch, but with a strong emphasis on secure defaults and ease of use for security professionals. The system is designed to be lightweight and efficient while offering powerful security features out of the box. Limitations include a narrow focus on security tasks, which might not suit general-purpose users looking for a versatile desktop environment. Parrot OS is ideal for ethical hackers, forensic analysts, and privacy-conscious users who want a ready-to-use secure platform without manual configuration. It balances usability with advanced security, making it accessible to users with intermediate Linux experience. Arch Linux offers unmatched customization and control, but requires hands-on security management, making it best for advanced users who want to build a tailored system. Parrot OS provides a ready-made, security-focused environment with pre-installed tools and hardened settings, ideal for security professionals and privacy advocates. In real-world use, Arch demands ongoing attention to updates and configurations, while Parrot OS delivers convenience and security out of the box. Arch's flexibility supports diverse use cases beyond security, but with more responsibility. Parrot OS narrows its focus to security and privacy, trading some general-purpose versatility for enhanced protection. Choosing between them depends on whether you prefer a DIY approach with full control or a specialized system optimized for security tasks. Choose Arch Linux if you want full control over your system's security and have the expertise to customize and maintain a highly flexible Linux environment. Parrot OS is the better choice for users seeking a secure, privacy-focused Linux distribution that works out of the box with powerful tools pre-installed. It's perfect for security professionals or anyone wanting a ready-to-use secure platform without deep manual setup.